My giant chocolate chip cookie cake is the perfect way to send the sweetest message to that special someone. Mother's Day, birthdays, treat yourself day, any day is perfect for this fudgy chocolate chip cookie with funfetti sprinkles. Let's begin with the cookie dough. It's really simple and quick and easy to make. We're going to add some butter to a large mixing bowl, along with some granulated sugar, some brown sugar, and some vanilla extract. You're going to use an electric hand mixer to mix this until it's pale and creamy, about 3 minutes. If you have a stand mixer and you want to use that, fit it with the paddle attachment. Next, we're going to add 2 large eggs. We're going to add these one at a time, mixing each time. Then you're going to add half of your all-purpose flour and your salt. And you're going to switch over to a spatula and fold this through until it forms a soft dough. Add the remaining flour and mix until it forms a slightly stiffer dough. Lastly, we are going to add some rainbow sprinkles and chocolate chips. And we're going to fold this through until everything is evenly combined. I have a 9-inch cake tin which I'm going to spray the bottom of with some oil spray, and we're going to line it with some baking paper. Using clean hands, we are going to pat this down evenly and as flat as we can. Before this goes in the oven, you want to sprinkle it with some more sprinkles and some more chocolate chips. This is going to go in the oven for 35 minutes on 175 degrees Celsius. Once it's finished baking, let it cool down completely. I have made half a batch of my American Buttercream Frosting. You can grab the recipe for that by clicking up in the corner. I'm going to leave some of it white, but I want to colour some of it pink, and I'm going to do that using some pink food gel. Mix everything until it's evenly coloured, and then you're going to transfer this to a piping bag fitted with a very small round tip. Now, to pipe your message on your cookie, you might want to use a food safe marker. It can make it a lot easier. It's kind of like tracing, but if your piping skills are up to scratch, you can go ahead and write your message. I fitted the end of a piping bag with an open star tip and filled it with my white buttercream frosting. We are going to pipe some swirls around our message and finish it off with some maraschino cherries, which makes this look really classic. Our cookie cake is done. It is delicious. It looks really pretty, and we are ready to slice and serve. Guys, this is so fudgy. It is to die for. The recipe is in the description box below. You can make this yourself. It is so easy and quick. And if you want to watch more videos from me, I have some up on screen right now. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. I will see you guys on the next episode of the Scran Line.